In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI tools in HubSpot, giving you the edge to make the most of artificial intelligence within this versatile platform. As we walk through this process together, you'll discover how seamlessly integrating AI can enhance your workflow and personalize your marketing efforts. Let's get started. First things first, to begin harnessing the power of AI, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. This is your gateway to accessing their wide range of intelligent tools, so make sure you have your login details handy. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard, a place you're likely familiar with if you've been using HubSpot regularly. Next, we need to navigate to the AI settings within your account. Head towards the Settings menu, which is usually found in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Once you're there, look for the AI option. This section is where we'll be making some important configurations to enable AI functionalities. Now go ahead and turn on the Give Users Access to Generative AI Tools and Features switch. This step is crucial as it allows you and your team to use the cutting-edge AI-powered features that HubSpot offers. By enabling this switch, you unlock new possibilities that can streamline various tasks and boost productivity. Think about whether you want to enable access to CRM data, customer conversation data, and file data. Doing this allows AI to personalize outputs based on historical interactions and available information. By giving the AI access to this data, you empower it to understand your specific context better and provide more targeted suggestions that are relevant to your unique business needs. HubSpot's AI offerings extend to a selection of tools that you can use to optimize your processes. These include generating filters for lists by simply describing the kind of records you want to retrieve. The AI will work its magic swiftly, generating the appropriate filter logic that matches your description, saving you significant time and hassle. Another exciting feature is the ability to generate subject lines, preview text, and more for your marketing emails. Crafting the perfect email components can be a daunting task, but AI steps in here with intelligent suggestions designed to increase engagement and open rates. You'll find that these AI-generated suggestions are not just random outputs, but are based on data-driven insights aimed at giving your emails the best chance of success. And there you have it, a streamlined process to unlock the power of AI within HubSpot. By following these steps, you can ensure you're tapping into the full potential of AI-enhanced tools, providing a new level of personalization and efficiency to your marketing strategies. Whether you're looking to create impactful email campaigns or fine-tune customer interactions, HubSpot's AI capabilities offer a robust and intuitive platform to elevate your marketing endeavors. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these AI tools as transformative as I do.